You start first by adding a loop cut using the knife tool, since you can't do that automatically. After that, we start beveling those boundaries. Then extruding outside from the 4 directions. And in order to get quads with 1 edge from the 4 sides, you need to do this. Quite beginner myself, and I found myself struggling to make the mesh simple, and while I was iterating times and times, I found this method to simplify the mesh. This helps you when you subdivide, and it's pretty helpful. It's basically creating trapezoids times and times again, repeatedly. But if you're planning to bend it to make something like a cup or any cylindrical shape, then you shouldn't simplify it on the top and the bottom parts. If you got this far, please subscribe and enjoy the results.